In November 2020, we have traveled to Baguio city in Philippines to organize a workshop in Cultural Tourism Recovery Seminar Series. Cultural Tourism Recovery, Sharing Best Practices is a seminar series organized by James Cook University Australia, University Malaysia Sabah, Hildikti Pari, an association of the Indonesian tourism tertiary education institutions, University of the Cordilleras, St. Louis University, and Winaca Eco-Cultural Village. The project, which in total included 6 workshops across Australia, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines, was funded by Australia-ASEAN Council of Australia's Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. The project connects cultural tourism initiatives to gain greater capacity to rejuvenate cultural tourism post-pandemic. The workshop in Baguio took place at Venus Parkview Hotel. Speakers shared about the current status of cultural tourism in the Philippines and focused on opportunities to diversify economic activities post-pandemic. Various themes were discussed by the panelists, including entrepreneurship training, preserving and strengthening traditional knowledge, development of new cultural products such as tourism villages and cultural festivals, involvement of youth in cultural tourism, and others. Participants have discussed challenges and opportunities involved in developing cultural tourism in their communities post-pandemic. Yesterday we've had a very successful seminar on cultural tourism recovery, focusing on adaptation and economic diversification. And today we're actually going to see what we were talking about yesterday. We're going to an eco-cultural village called Winaca, and we are taking a traditional jeepney to get there.
From Winaca Eco-Cultural Village. I'm the daughter of Lucia and Wilson. I'm the granddaughter of Wilson and Narda Kapuyan, the owners. So we are here, we are the ones operating and owning this eco-cultural village. We're here today to take everyone around the village and show them how we try to preserve nature and culture in our little area here in Acapulco.
Winaca Eco-Village started in 1980s. And it started as a fruit farm, but it diversified their products. The original owners, Wilson and Narda, have started planting fruit trees, but then also started a weaving business, Nardas. And that has become a very popular brand in the Philippines of traditional woven handicrafts and garments. And then they also developed tourism attraction. They brought the traditional houses here. They developed this adventure park, and so visitors can experience the traditional cultures of different places around the Cordilleras region, and also learn more about the traditional economic activities. So this is a good example of diversification and adaptation in cultural tourism, but also in broader industries that are related to it.
Greetings to everybody.